Wait, before you take another bite of that meal, stop. Do you think that some of the most popular food combinations in Nigeria are actually making you sick, tired, and bloated? You might think you are eating balanced diet, but inside your stomach, a chemical war is happening today. I'm revealing these 7 dangerous food combinations you need to stop eating right now. Today, trust me, number 4 is going to shock you because almost every Nigerian student and worker survives on it. Number 1, bread and sugary tea, the glucose spike. Let's start with the national breakfast. A fresh loaf of agege bread and a hot cup of tea with plenty of milk and sugar. It tastes like heaven, right? Most people eat this because it's fast and filling. But here is the science your body wish you knew. Bread is a refined carbohydrate. Sugar is sugar. When you combine them, you are hitting your bloodstream with a massive glucose bomb. Your blood sugar levels skyrocket instantly. This is why 1 hour after eating bread and tea, you start feeling incredibly tired and sleepy. That's the sugar crash. Over time, this habit overworks your pancreas and puts you at a high risk of type 2 diabetes and belly fat. Wait, this is important. If you must have the combo, swap the white bread for whole wheat bread and use way less sugar. Better yet, add a boiled egg. The protein in the egg helps slow down the sugar absorption so you don't crash. Number 2 dangerous food that we are eating in this Nigeria. Beans and ripe plantain. Oh, the heartburn duo. I know, you are probably thinking, but this is the best combo in the world. We love beans and dodo because it's delicious and feels nutritious. But from a food science perspective, this is a digestion nightmare for many people. Beans take a long time to digest. There are heavy proteins and complex starches. Ripe plantain on the other hand are full of fruit sugars. When you fry that ripe plantain and eat it with beans, the sugar in the plantain starts to ferment in your stomach while waiting for the beans to digest. This creates gas, serious bloating, and that heavy feeling that makes you want to lie down for 3 hours. Most people don't know this, but this combination is often the secret cause of your frequent indigestion and acid reflux. Now, the alternative. Use unripe or semi-ripe plantain. Boil them instead of frying. Unripe plantain is a resistant starch, which actually helps your digestion instead of fighting it. Then number 3, milk and citrus fruits. They are very dangerous. Milk and citrus fruits. This one is for the fruit salad lovers or those who like to drink orange juice right after a bowl of rice, right after a bowl of cereals, not only rice. Milk contains a protein called casein. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and even pineapple are highly acidic. What happens when you put acid into milk? It curdles inside your stomach. This combination turns into a thick, rubbery mass that is extremely difficult for your enzymes to break down. This is where many people get it wrong. They think they are being healthy by adding fruits to their breakfast, but they end up with a heavy stomach mucus build up, and even diarrhea. A better way, eat your fruits on an empty stomach at least 30 minutes before you touch any dairy or heavy food. Give your body time to process the vitamins first. Another combo that is dangerous, number 4, Garri and very cold water, the swelling danger. This is the one I warned you about. The student's power bank. Drinking garri with ice cold water on a hot afternoon feels like magic. But here is the danger. Garri is a dried fermented starch. It needs to absorb moisture to expand. When you drink it with very cold water, the starch doesn't soften properly in the bowl. Instead, it continues to swell inside your intestines. This is why you feel so stuffed and heavy after drinking garri, but then you feel incredibly weak shortly after. Even worse, the cold water slows down the enzymes needed to digest the cyanide traces often found in garri. The fix: use room temperature water. Let the garri soak for a few minutes before you start drinking. And please always add a source of protein like granules or fish to balance the starch. Number 5, soda and spicy suya. The gastric nightmare. It's Friday night. You just bought 2,000 naira suya with extra pepper and you wash it down with a cold bottle of black soda. Sounds like a vibe, right? Scientifically, it's a disaster. The capsaicin in the pepper and the phosphoric acid in the soda are a toxic mix for your stomach lining. The carbonation in the soda creates pressure, while the spice irritates the stomach wall. This is a loading cause of leaky gut and chronic bloating among Nigerians. Also, the cold soda solidifies the fat from the suya meat in your digestive tract, making it much harder for your body to wash away the oil. Instead, drink warm water or a natural zobo drink with very little sugar. It helps the fats flow and aids digestion instead of stopping it. Number 6, pap and too much fried akara. This is another classic, but we need to talk about the oil. Pap is almost 100% water and starch. Akara is healthy protein, but when it is deep fried in vegetable oil that has been heated over and over again, it becomes a sponge of trans fats. When you combine these two, you are eating a meal that is very low in fiber. This slows down your metabolism to a crawl. If you wonder why you feel brain fog or can't think clearly after a heavy Saturday morning breakfast of akara and pap, this is why your body is using all its energy just to process the oil. The alternative: try moi moi instead of akara. It's steamed, not fried. You get all the protein without the heart-clogging oil. Number 7 of the combo: eating fruits directly after a heavy meal. The fermentation trap. I see this at every Nigerian wedding. After eating a big plate of jollof rice, fried chicken and salad, people go for the fruit platter as dessert. This is actually the worst time to eat fruit. Fruits digest very quickly, usually within 20 minutes. Jollof rice and meat take 3 to 5 hours. When you put the fruits on top of the rice, the fruit gets stuck in the queue while it waits for the rice to digest. The heat in your stomach causes the fruit sugars to ferment. This turns into alcohol and gas right inside your belly. This leads to big belly, bloating, and it can even damage your liver over a long period. The rule: fruits should be eaten 30 minutes before a meal or 2 hours after. Never use them as a cap for a heavy meal. In conclusion, your body is a machine. If you put the wrong fuel, your body is a machine. If you put the wrong fuel combinations in it, it will eventually break down. You don't have to stop eating your favorite Nigerian foods. You just have to be smarter about how you pair them. Stop the sugar spikes, stop the fermentation, and give your stomach a break. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these combinations are you guilty of eating every day? For me, it used to be the bread and tea. Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this eye-opening, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your family WhatsApp group. You might just save someone from a lifetime of indigestion today. Till next time, eat smart and stay healthy.